Today, we're gonna talk about AI coding assistants. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the way we code has completely changed. Like someone planted a beanstalk overnight. With the rise of large language models like GPT-4 and Cloud, we're not just improving productivity. We're fundamentally reshaping how code is written. AI coding tools such as Cursor, Replit, and Bolt are accelerating developments at incredible speeds. But it's not just about technology. This is a cultural shift. Developers today are waking up to find their traditional workflows replaced by AI-powered copilots, and we're entering to a new era of coding. So, what is this new paradigm called? It's called vibe coding. Andrea Cafati, one of the leading voices in AI, defines it like this. You just vibe, forget the concept of code. It may sound abstract, but the meaning is simple. Developers focus on product vision, UX, and flow, while AI handles the implementation. Iteration is fast, and there's little emotional attachment to any one version of the code. For example, instead of writing a fuzzy search algorithm line by line, you just say, add a product search bar with fuzzy matching, and AI does the rest. So, why is this happening now? According to the survey of Y Combinator startups in the 2024 batch, over 70% said they have changed how they code. One of the most striking statements from the survey was, if you're not using AI tools now, you're already behind. This is more than a tool adoption. It reflects the mindset shift. Developers are evolving into product thinkers. Speed and iteration now matter more than perfect code. In this landscape, vibe coding isn't just helpful, it is essential. So, what does the typical vibe coding workflow actually look like? Well, first, there's a shift from hands-on coding to reviewing AI output. Instead of debugging or polishing, developers simply regenerate code until it works. A practice often called throwaway culture. Also, parallel prompting is common. One dev might use two cursor windows and a cloud tab at the same time, essentially managing AI agents like junior engineers. This allows faster multi-feature development and frees the developer to focus on coordination, vision, and testing. It's a very different role, more like a creative director than a traditional coder. Of course, AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. It still has clear limitations. For tasks like debugging, LMMs can provide basic fixes, but they often fail at understanding complex context. For code architecture, AI struggles with scalability and long-term maintainability. And when it comes to prioritizing features, it has no product awareness. These are areas where humans still outperform machines. As one developer put it, good code versus bad code, that's still a human call. So is vibe coding actually being used in the real world? Absolutely. And here's proof. Co-AI, an AI startup, recently posted a job opening for a front-end developer, which is vibe coder. In their description, they wrote, we care more about product sense and iteration than code perfection. That's a major shift in hiring priorities. And it's not just them. In the YC survey, 25% of founders said that over 90% of their code is AI generated. We're witnessing the rise of a new developer architect, an AI native developer trained from day one with tools like Cursor and Cloud. This brings us to a broader trend. The shift from backend specialists to product-centric thinkers. Let's compare. Traditional developers focus on clean code, features, and optimization. Vibe developers, on the other hand, care about product experience, user feedback, and rapid iteration. The value has shifted from technical polish to real-time responsiveness. As one founder put it, it's not just building the fastest system. It's about building what the user needs now. Of course, none of this would be possible without the right tools. Here's a comparison of some reading platforms. Bolt is blazing fast and ideal for full stack deployment, but it lacks local support. Cursor offers agent-style coding and customization, but is slow and has usage limits. Windsurf is great for multi-file reasoning, but can be buggy and pricey. Aid runs through GitHub automation with minimal manual control. Replit is mobile-friendly, but delivers less reliable results. Each tool supports vibe coding in different ways, so picking the right one depends on your needs. So, with AI doing so much of the work, what makes a great developer today? The answer is the ceiling hasn't changed, only the floor has been raised. It means that anyone can be good now, but to be elite, you still need taste, the ability to recognize and refine great design, and system thinking to structure scalable, maintainable code. And finally, deliberate practice to continuously deepen your intuition. As Picasso once said, before abstraction, I mastered realism. And the same is true here. In conclusion, vibe coding isn't a gimmick. It's the new standard. This movement is transforming how we build software, how we work, and how we think. Collaborating with AI is no longer optional. It's a core developer skill. When you combine human creativity with AI speed, you get a whole new way of building. The tools have changed. Now, it's our mindset that must evolve. If we embrace that, we're not just keeping up, we're leading. Alright, this is all for today. Thank you for listening.